Hello everyone, it's Comfort here, and today I'm going to be extracting the tender and succulent pulp from tamarind seeds to make this tamarind paste or juice, which is a pantry staple in the northern region of Uganda and interestingly in Asian cooking, I found out recently. Now, tamarind paste adds mellow acidity to whatever you are cooking and is a wonderful substitute for lemons, especially when the lemons are out of season. Because the paste keeps well in the fridge for up to 1 week, it's worth making up a batch to save you time when cooking. If this sounds great to you, let's get into it. Alright, let's start by removing the outer shell of the tamarind fruit. Make sure to remove all these stringy veins surrounding the seeds within. You should be left with this cinnamon colored flesh, and it will usually be quite sticky. Place them in a clean bowl. Now add enough water to just cover the tamarind. This is going to loosen up the tamarind flesh and make it easy to extract. After that, you want to cover the bowl and set it aside for about 1 hour. And while that is going on, let me share a scripture which should be the daily prayer of each one of us. Psalms chapter 19 verse 14 says, "Let the words of my mouth and the meditation of my heart be acceptable in thy sight, O Lord, my strength and my Redeemer." Now, I believe this prayer will empower each one of us to speak life into every situation and everyone we encounter on a daily basis, so that we are numbered among them that are speaking as the oracle of the Father. So as you can see in the video, my tamarind flesh has soaked bulungi, and it's time to start extracting the pulp simply by squeezing the flesh the way that you see me doing. Make sure to use clean hands or use gloves, especially if you have a wound or something like that. And if you're using gloves, they should be natural latex, powder free and food safe, okay? Now, when you're done with this phase, pour the thick liquid into a strainer set over a bowl and work the pulp through like so. So now your tamarind paste is ready to be used. Pour it into a clean and sterilized jar and store it in your refrigerator for up to 7 days. So how do you use your tamarind paste? I like to use mine in a couple of ways. First, to make this zingy tamarind juice, which is simply delicious and a good home remedy against bloating. It's a must-have ingredient in making North Ugandan millet porridge. A recipe for that is coming up soon, so look out for it. And I often use my tamarind paste in anything that calls for lemon when I don't have lemons on hand. Tell me, do you use tamarind paste in your cooking? Please let me know in the comments below how you use it so we can embrace your way in our cooking. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and until my next one, God bless. Bye!